Hey everyone, this video is for the reviews page, which is on pages 59 and 60 in your handout. So first of all, we need to make sure we're on our page here for reviews. And you will need to add the browser page title once again. So if you click the circle next to review, go to SEO Google or settings, and you can get over to SEO Google. And if you go down, right here is where you can type in the page title. So just in case you have forgotten about that. All right, once we have that, I'm going to click out of here. So I've already changed my background. And with this page here, there's just going to be a lot of typing for this one. So in step 3, we need to enter the following content block as the page title, make the page title prominent. So we're going to type in rave reviews. So I'm going to add, and I'm going to put in one of my big headings, and I'll just type rave reviews. And then I'll format this like I have my other pages as well too. And then I will try to click here, move it up to the top. Okay, and then it says to enhance the page design, add an image that relates to rave reviews. And then we also need to put in a bunch of different text. So I'm going to go ahead and add an image. And I'm just going to do a free Wix image for this. And let's see. I want to look for something that says like something with happy reviews for people basically. That would be, I'll put this one in. Because everyone's got their hands up because they're dancing or something, or at a concert probably. Ah, there's a disco ball. They're at a dance. So I'm going to put my rave reviews up here, or wherever. I'll move it later to a place if it seems to fit better. And then we need to add in content block B. It says our clients are the best advertisement. Here's the beat on the street. So I'll add that first. I'm going to add this, I think, as a type of a heading. And heading 1 I know should be probably the largest, but how the formatting I'm done with this, it makes it a little bit different. And I'm going to put this underneath. Oh, I guess I didn't have any text selected. I'm going to make this a little bit larger. And I will go like this. Okay, I don't know how much I really like that picture right there, but I'm going to leave it for now. Okay, in step 5, it says enter content block C through H and place them below block B as shown in figure 7. And it says to italicize the customer name at the end of each testimonial. So I am going to add some text, and I am just going to put in a paragraph of text as well, just a normal paragraph that I would use. And I do not want that red text, so I'm just going to edit this. We'll click to change it to white. So with this text here, I am actually going to put this all in one content block rather than having separate ones. So in C, this starts off with Dylan, you were the absolute best, blah, blah, blah. I'm not going to type all of it right now. And then I will put in the person's name, high school. And they want their name, the person's name, to be italicized. So we just need to click the italic button. I'm going to close out of this. So then I can go ahead, and while I am typing this, I'll just throw in an extra enter in the middle. If you notice, like it's still italicized here, I'll just select this text here and get rid of the italics. So the next one in D, we have never met, and so on. I just put in that extra space between just to help separate them a little bit. It's probably a good idea. Otherwise, it's going to get a little bit crowded on here. So that's it for this page. For the reviews page, you need to have your title, a content blocks, and then all of the text that's going to be on here that's typed. And you do have to add some type of an image that relates to rave review. That could even be your background image as well too. So if I got rid of this and changed my background to one that would fit the rave review. So review is somebody's leaving a review, so it's just something with people like probably happy at their dance with this DJ. And so that's it for this video. If you have any questions, let me know.